Winter is a beautiful season, but it also comes with its unique set of challenges when it comes to taking care of children. Today, we'll go over essential tips to keep your kids safe, healthy, and comfortable during the cold months. From staying warm and boosting immunity to handling common winter illnesses, we have got you covered. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ananta. I am Dr. Shreya Dubey, a pediatrician on a mission to help every kid reach their highest potential. Let's start with the basics. How to dress your child appropriately for the cold. Layering is the key to trap body heat and keep your little ones warm. Dress your child in layers, starting with a cotton base layer to keep sweat away, followed by insulating layers like wool or fleece, and finally a waterproof, wind-resistant outer layer. Cover extremities. Don't forget hats, gloves or mittens and warm socks. Most body heat is lost through the head and the feet, so keeping these areas covered is essential, especially when going outside. Avoid overheating. Make sure your child isn't overdressed, as too many layers can cause sweating, leading to chills when they cool down. Now, which kind of room heaters to use during winters? Choosing the right heating option for your home during winter is essential, especially when there are young children around. So let's talk about the different type of room heaters. Oil heaters are the best choice for households with kids due to their safety features, consistent heat, and the ability to maintain good air quality. They are especially useful for overnight use or extended heating needs. Blowers can be an option for quick heating but are less ideal for young children due to their noise, dry heat, and safety concerns. The rod filament heaters provide direct heat quickly and are inexpensive also, but they are the least safe option for homes with kids due to their exposed heating elements and risk of burns and injury. Let's discuss some safety tips for using heaters around kids. First of all, keep all heaters out of reach and use safety barriers if necessary. Ensure proper ventilation to maintain healthy indoor air quality. Use heaters with safety measures such as tip-over protection and automatic shut-off. Supervise children when any type of heater is in use. Now, how to keep skin healthy during the winter season? Cold air can be harsh on your child's skin, causing dryness and irritation of skin and chapping of lips. So here's how to protect their skin during winter. First of all, moisturize regularly. Apply a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer to your child's skin at least twice a day, especially after baths. Use lip balm. Chapped lips are common in winter, so use a natural, child-safe lip balm like simple petroleum jelly to keep their lips soft and hydrated. Third, choose gentle soaps. Opt for mild, moisturizing soaps and avoid hot water baths as that can strip the skin of natural oils. Next, how to boost your child's immunity during winters. The winter season often brings with it a wave of colds and flu. While no method is foolproof, there are always ways to strengthen your child's immune system naturally. Let's discuss some immunity boosting tips. Balanced diet. Ensure your child's diet is rich in fruits and vegetables which provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. Citrus fruits, carrots, and spinach are great winter options. Hydration. Even in colder weather, staying hydrated is important. Warm water, soups, and herbal teas can help keep them hydrated. Adequate sleep is crucial for a strong immune system for your kid. Make sure you put your children to bed timely and maintain sleep hygiene. No screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Vitamin D is very important. Winter season means less sunlight, so talk to your pediatrician about vitamin D supplements if needed. Cold weather can limit outdoor play, but it is important to keep kids active indoors. Physical activity helps maintain their energy levels, strengthen their immunity, and boost their mood. Engage your kids in fun indoor exercises like jumping jacks, yoga, or obstacle courses. Encourage them to get involved in creative play with activities like building forts, dancing, or playing hide and seek. This can keep them entertained and moving. Board games and crafting sessions can stimulate their minds while providing a break from screens. Now, how to handle common winter illnesses? Winter illnesses such as colds, coughs, and the flu, they are very common in children. Here's what you can do to manage and prevent them effectively at home. You can use a humidifier. Dry winter air can irritate the respiratory system. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, helping to ease congestion and prevents dry skin. Stay warm and rested. Keep your child warm but not too hot and ensure they rest to help their body fight off illness. Offer warm fluids like soup, herbal teas or warm water with a bit of honey if your child is more than 1 year old to soothe sore throats and keep them hydrated. For minor symptoms, consult your pediatrician before giving any over-the-counter medication to ensure safety. Encourage hand washing to prevent the spread of winter illnesses. And keep an eye on weather forecasts and air quality reports to plan outdoor activities safely. Also, there are plenty of myths about winter care that can lead to confusion. Let's clear up a few of them. Myth 1. Cold weather causes colds. No, this is not true. Colds are caused by viruses, not cold weather. Myth 2. Kids should avoid all outdoor play in cold weather. This is also not right. Outdoor play is beneficial as long as it is safe. Fresh air and physical activity are great for overall health, so just make sure your child is dressed properly and supervised. The winter season can be a wonderful time of year, full of fun and family moments. By taking a few extra precautions, you can make sure your child stays warm, safe and healthy. I hope this has answered some of your questions and you like today's information. We'll be back next week with another topic. Please let us know in the comments below what you would like me to talk about in the upcoming videos. If you like this information, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.